Kings Canyon National Park features terrain similar to Yosemite Valley and is home to the deepest canyon in the United States with a depth of more than 1.5 miles. Though technically two distinct parks, Sequoia and Kings Canyon are administered as one park and only one entrance fee is required. With its deep valleys, skyscraping trees and distinct rock outcroppings, Kings Canyon National Park is the place that John Muir once called a rival to Yosemite. Located adjacent to Sequoia National Park, Kings Canyon National Park is composed of two main visitor areas. Grant Grove near the entrance to the park, home to the gene also known as the Nati Tree, and Cedar 6, Canyon Flow, also known as the nation's Christmas tree, and Cedar Grove, which is on Thay. Grant Grove visitors will marvel at the sheer size of the Sequoia Grove, while hikers in Cedar Grove will be treated to stunning views of cliffs, the canyon and breathtaking rock formations. Kings Canyon is also home to Redwood Canyon, one of the largest sequoia tree groves in the parks. In addition to Kings Canyon National Park's celebrated sequoias, this glaciated valley also features miles of hiking trails, horseback riding, and camping, a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts of every age. Kings Canyon in spring, summer and fall allows for expansive exploration. Amazing vistas and fair weather mean that most areas of the park are open for visitors. The road between Kings Canyon and Sequoia is open for traffic and it is easy to navigate through the two parks. In the winter, snow can affect the areas of the park that are open to visitors. The road down to Cedar Grove is closed in winter from mid-November to late April. The road between the two parks can be closed due to winter snow. Please check park weather conditions prior to your visit as they can change rapidly, and check with the visitor information booths for areas of the park that are available to experience. How to get there? Kings Canyon National Park can be accessed from Visalia via State Route 63 to Highway 180 or through Sequoia National Park's southern entrance. Check for road closures in the winter months. Current conditions. The Sequoia Shuttle does not currently offer shuttle service to or in Kings Canyon.